What kind of machine can safely escort the world's most powerful leaders at extreme speed? It all begins with metal hotter than lava. Every gram must meet strict aerospace-level quality before becoming part of a high-performance Escort motorcycle. Cooling too quickly could weaken the alloy. Every second is precisely controlled. Now precision replaces brute force. Every mounting surface is machined within microscopic tolerances. Hidden oil galleries keep this future Escort motorcycle alive under relentless high-speed duty. One tiny deviation could reduce reliability during a presidential escort. Strength begins with premium alloy steel, capable of surviving years of demanding escort missions. Each bend must be exact. Even a fraction of a degree affects chassis geometry. Before a single weld, the frame is aligned with remarkable precision. Thousands of controlled weld droplets fuse the backbone of this future Escort motorcycle. Perfect welds mean maximum strength when every second of protection matters. Only critical joints are blended, preserving structural integrity while improving finish quality.
Paint can only protect perfectly clean steel. This invisible coating helps defend the motorcycle against years of harsh weather. Only after complete corrosion protection can the real motorcycle begin taking shape. The protective coating is now permanently bonded. Heat transforms liquid primer into a durable corrosion shield. Even microscopic distortion could affect high-speed stability during emergency escorts.
The suspension starts as precision steel bars, selected for exceptional strength and fatigue resistance. Mirror-straight fork tubes are essential for precise steering at highway speeds.
The hidden interior guides hydraulic damping with remarkable precision. A perfectly smooth surface protects suspension seals through thousands of kilometers.
A microscopic chromium layer dramatically improves wear resistance and corrosion protection. Every suspension spring is engineered to absorb violent road impacts without losing strength. Heat treatment gives the spring its remarkable ability to compress and recover thousands of times. Dozens of precision parts now become a single front suspension assembly.
Rear shock absorbers are machined from lightweight aluminum for strength and heat dissipation.
Hydraulic damping keeps the motorcycle stable even during aggressive escort maneuvers. These clamps connect the rider directly to the front wheel with absolute precision.
Smooth steering begins with bearings installed under carefully controlled pressure. For the first time, individual components begin transforming into a real motorcycle chassis.
The chassis is ready, but its heart still needs absolute precision. Every micron here determines the engine's future reliability. Even microscopic metal particles could damage a high-performance engine. Absolute cleanliness is mandatory. The crankshaft starts as glowing forged steel, compressed with thousands of tons of force.
Each journal is polished to near-perfect roundness for smooth, high-speed rotation.
Perfect balance minimizes vibration when the motorcycle races through presidential motorcades. These compact rods must survive millions of combustion cycles without failure. Every gram removed reduces reciprocating mass while preserving exceptional strength. Special coatings reduce friction and help withstand extreme combustion temperatures. The engine finally begins taking shape from the inside out.
Every fastener is tightened to exact specifications, never more, never less. Each piston must glide freely while sealing explosive combustion pressures.
Computer-controlled assembly guarantees an even seal across the entire engine.
Smooth gear engagement begins with perfectly formed tooth profiles.
Heat treatment transforms ordinary steel into components capable of surviving immense torque. The engine's power delivery system is now complete. Soon, this precision-built heart will meet the waiting chassis. Power begins at the cylinder head. Every valve seat must seal perfectly against combustion pressures. These tiny components will open and close thousands of times every minute. Camshafts choreograph every breath the engine takes with extraordinary accuracy. Perfect timing ensures every combustion event happens at precisely the right moment. The engine's upper and lower halves finally become one complete power unit.
Electronic fuel injection meters fuel with remarkable precision for instant throttle response.
A stable operating temperature is essential for continuous Escort operations in every climate. Smooth exhaust flow begins with perfectly formed stainless steel tubing.
Clean TIG welds maximize strength while maintaining unrestricted exhaust flow.
Hundreds of electrical connections will coordinate every critical system on the motorcycle.
Every connector has a unique location, eliminating assembly errors. This electronic brain constantly monitors the motorcycle hundreds of times every second.
For the first time, the motorcycle receives its beating heart.
Every cooling and exhaust connection is verified before the engine ever starts. The machine finally resembles a true presidential Escort motorcycle. But without its wheels, brakes, bodywork, and the final transformation begins with lightweight wheels, engineered for strength, balance, and precise handling.
Perfect balance ensures unwavering stability during high-speed Escort formations.
Stopping power is just as critical as acceleration when protecting a moving convoy.
For the first time, the motorcycle stands on its own wheels, one step closer to active service.
Every panel is carefully aligned to improve aerodynamics and long-term durability. Mission-specific equipment transforms an ordinary motorcycle into a dedicated presidential Escort vehicle. Before the engine starts, every electronic system must prove it can perform flawlessly. After hundreds of precision-built components come together, the engine finally comes alive. Every engine is pushed under controlled conditions before it ever reaches the road. Acceleration means nothing without complete control. Every braking system is tested repeatedly.
Nothing leaves the factory until every visible and hidden detail passes inspection.
Only real-world testing confirms the engineering precision built inside every motorcycle.
The final finish reflects the same precision hidden beneath every panel. After passing every inspection, each motorcycle is cleared for operational service.
From molten metal to a mission-ready Escort machine, every stage demanded uncompromising engineering.